awuor. Chenro mar piedho joma dwaro bedo komishonas mag duol mochung' ne yiero kod kiewo pacho ka IEBC ochako dayo dho joma dwaro bedo komishonas mag IEBC bang' tieko dayo dho jok madwaro bedo jakom mar duol no odiechieng' manyoro. Apudno biro dayo dho ji maromo 111 kaka wuono ji 6 ochopo e nyim apudno. Nyaka sani oseda dho ji 3 moting'o Abduba Molu Ido, Abdifadi Abdullahi Yaro to kod Abdi Khadim Idan Abdi. Gisani apudno dayo dho Abdi Nur Maalim Hussein mar winjo ni en yore mage ma kod lony mage monyalo chwalo ne duol mar IEBC.
I can say it's fairly excellent.
The public perception about IEBC?
Public confidence?
Yes.
No, public confidence I can say is 70-30. 70 positive, 30 to the negative.
What do you think are the actions of the previous IEBC that makes the Chenro of Kenya perceive that the public confidence is low?
Thank you, Mr. Msati. Public confidence is something you earn as an institution first. So why Kenyans have poor public confidence in the current IEBC is simply some processes within the election cycle is not clear to Kenyans. Especially the last time where the challenges we had was in the result transmission. So the ICT gadgets used by IEBC might be good, but to the public ear, the information is not with public. Number two, why public confidence is poor is because IEBC, for example, there was a poor voter registration exercise throughout the year, which is supposed to be a continuous process. So the registration and the voter education, all these activities were poorly done. 3, there was no proper engagement, stakeholder engagement of IEBC activities with the public. So the public and the IEBC as a commission are not in tandem in terms of the activities they are doing because stakeholder engagement was weak. Thank you.
So if you are given an opportunity and you are a member of the commission of IEBC, what will you do to improve that public confidence, particularly in line with communication?
One, I will really indulge in proper. We will strengthen along with the team proper communication protocol of the organization. Have a standard code of conduct in place. Have regular stakeholder engagement. I think in so doing we'll improve the public confidence at that time.
Thanks so much, Chair. I wish you well.
You gave some percentages on public confidence.
Yes.
You said 70.